What if your homeschooler could build their own world? Immersive Learner is a one-of-a-kind homeschool program where students learn by creating inside their own 3D virtual world. It's perfect for gamers, storytellers, visual learners, and students who think differently. In Avatar Storytellers, students build magical realms and design a playable fantasy quest. History Teleporters let students relive and rebuild early American life in a frontier survival game. In Galactic Homesteaders, students land on a distant planet and build a sci-fi adventure of survival and discovery. Each student builds a portfolio of progress with screenshots, LMS quizzes, and an interactive 3D virtual world game they are proud of. A truly immersive homeschool program that fits in beautifully to your existing curriculum. Join us now and start creating.